Hello, today I'm going to be making a part 3 of the GitHub for Windows series. Today we will be talking about cloning projects that are not owned by you, that are actually owned by somebody else, that you can go in there and clone them. So let's go ahead and go to our, I have two things I want to clone. I'm going to clone them in two different versions because there is two different techniques that you can clone in GitHub for Windows. So in order to do this, for the first one I'm going to do is icecoder. I'm going to clone in desktop. I'm going to launch the application, which will launch GitHub for Windows, and it will pop in here and start downloading. Now give it some time. I tried this one earlier and then I deleted it because I messed up, and here it is. And it will go through downloading everything, and it will pop in there. Now another way to use it is called the Git shell for Windows. It's a program that installs with GitHub for Windows. It's actually just Windows PowerShell. Now, in order to do this, you're going to have the HTTPS clone, or you also can use SSH. Both work equally as well. So copy, and then in here we're going to type git clone, and then we're going to press the PowerShell icon in the top left, left click it, and then go edit, and then paste. And then we're going to press space and then the name of the folder, so we'll just name this Votifier in this case, and press enter. And now it's cloning into Votifier. Sometimes this is a little bit buggy, so I pressed enter a couple times and it starts loading the information. Sometimes it does that. One time it completely bugged out on me, so I don't know, this just might be me, but other words this will work. So we're going to wait for it to go ahead, and it is complete. So now we have both of our projects cloned. We can go into my PC and go to local disk, and then we can go to, go to me, documents, go to documents, and then we want to go to GitHub, and then we can see that we have icecoder, all the information there, and we have Votifier, which is what we just downloaded. And this is all the information for Votifier, so two separate things we just got, two separate folders, and that's how you can keep it nice and organized. So this is the part 3. I hope this was somewhat helpful in cloning. I came across this a couple days ago, so I'm just going to throw that out here, and this is what it is. Thanks, and stay tuned.